Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from my 2-hour deep tissue massage and it was so relaxing, and I want to tell you guys about this new herb that I just discovered. The new herb is called lime leaves, and I had to put them in a recipe that I just made. I made sweet potato lime soup from paleoleaf.com. And I've seen lime leaves in other recipes that I have made before, but I was never able to find them at the grocery store. But this time I was able to find them at Whole Foods, and I'll show you guys what they look like. So this is the container that it came in, and these are what the lime leaves look like. So it looks like there's two leaves stuck together, but this is actually how they're supposed to look. This is just one leaf. And the first thing I noticed when I opened this container was how fragrant these leaves are. They smell amazing. They smell like a really strong lime scent, and a really sweet lime aroma similar to key lime. They just smell amazing. So I was super excited to put them in my soup, and they did make my soup taste so good. They add a citrusy lime flavor to foods, and lime leaves are typically used in Asian dishes like Thai food and curry, but you can actually just chop these leaves up and sprinkle them on your soup and your salad if you want to add a more citrus lime flavor. One thing though that you do have to do whenever you're chopping these leaves up is you have to remove this hard center spine right here, because this is not digestible. So you do have to remove this. It's really easy to do, and then just chop up the leaves and sprinkle them on your soups and salads and other recipes like curry. So the other cool thing about these leaves is you can make tea out of them. So you just need 2 to 3 leaves and steep them in hot water for about 5 minutes, and you have lime leaf tea. And I looked up the health benefits of this herb, and lime leaves are really good for gastrointestinal issues and also promoting really good oral health, so in your mouth and your gums. So I'm really excited that I discovered this new herb, and I'm definitely going to be using it for more recipes to come because I just think it smells amazing. It adds a great flavor. So definitely check it out the next time you're looking for a new recipe to make. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.